Oh, this is going to be a chicken coop? We'll have to
$200 later.
It wasn't 200. Oh, because you got the hardware cloth stuff.
To get nails. The nails are $23.
Right.
These the exact same, or if I should.
What pieces are you cutting right now?
What we got going here is we're going to go ahead and just throw this up like so.
What are you doing?
Right now I'm putting up the
frame for the chicken coop. Shall I just narrate? Alright, so here it is. We've got the frame for the chicken coop going up. And it's going to be on this side, and then down that way is going to be the run. So, what he has down here is the treated wood.
Yep.
And those are 2x4s. We were contemplating doing different size, but we went with 2x4, and for the length we are 12 feet long, and these are 6 feet, right? Like we planned?
Yeah.
So these are 6 feet wide by 12 feet long. Blocking my heart. So I'm gonna have to hold that in a second. Okay, so what we've done is we went and cut ourselves a piece of the hardware cloth. This comes in a roll of 25 foot by 4 feet. And we've gone with the larger hardware cloth squares. Okay, so what we had across, we did 46 inches. And then from bottom to top was 24, correct?
Yeah.
So we're gonna go ahead and staple that on.
First I have to cut it.
Yeah, he's gonna cut it so it will go down in there a little bit. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a 2x4 on top of here later. All right, here's the progress we've made. The roof is coming in nicely. It's working on the last edge over there right now. And we framed this in a little bit more. Using the hole saw to make the vent. He's made a lot of progress while he's putting the kids to bed. He got the roof framed up there with 1x6s around the whole edge. So what else did you do while I was gone? It looks really different. I guess just the roof is finished.
That's pretty much all I did.
So now we're gonna start filling this in.